Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Scorpio at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tignan po natin ngayon kung ano yung mensahe ng person mo para sa'yo. Gusto niyang sabihin. Spoiling you. I want to give you the good life. I want to spoil you with gifts and tips. Everything you could ever need or want. You deserve nothing less. Wow. Masarap naman yan, Scorpio. And bottom niya is jealousy. Sinasabi dito is, I am very jealous. I can barely stand it. Wow. Gusto niya ibigay sa iyo lahat-lahat, pero may pagkaselosa itong taong to. Okay? Gagawin niya lahat to spoil you, to give you everything you want. Pero, mag-ingat ka rin kasi siya ay selosong tao. Okay? So, tingnan natin sa tarot kung ano yung we have the King of Wands. We have the King of Pentacles, the Four of Swords, the Seven of Swords, and the Hermit. Bottom niya is the World. Okay, Scorpio, World. May parang natapos, no? There was an ending that happened. This is an ending that would mean start of a new cycle, no? Panibagong chapter ng buhay mo. Ito yung parating o nangyari o mangyayari. Two of Wands. Kasi nakapag-decide ka na eh. You've decided what to do. You've decided na this is what you wanted. Maybe something to do nga with an ending. Kasi you want probably a thing that would make things much lighter, no? Yung medyo fun, yung masaya, yung masarap gawin, yung enjoy ka. The Page of Wands. This is all about excitement, yung tipong pa-chill-chill lang tayo, okay? Baka before, hindi ganun yung nangyayari sa'yo, tsaka yung relationship. Kaya parang ngayon, nag-hope ka na, sana ganito naman tayo. Yung tipong on the lighter side, tipong mag-ano lang tayo, parang to unwind, no? To have fun. Sing first card mo dito, Scorpio, is the King of Wands. King of Wands is a fire sign. This is an energy coming from an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Okay, so yung qualities nito is somebody who is determined, action-oriented, no? Kumikilos talaga. Pinapakita yung galing niya, yung creativity niya, yung this person is truly good-looking, no? May itsura sila. So, talagang kung gaba yung ma-attract ka kaagad, magugustuhan mo kasi masarap silang kasama, masarap silang kausap, very adventurous, yung masayahin, mahilig mag-party. Kung ikaw yung tao, Scorpio, na mahilig din doon, then this is the right person for you. You wanted everything na to be moving, fun, maraming tawa, may inom, may party, mga ganon. Enjoy, hilig pumorma. Yun, ito yung right person for you. Yung tipong, kung yun yung gusto mo, oo, gagawin din niya yun. Kasi sabi nga niya, I will spoil you. No, kung ano yung gusto mo, sige, gawin natin. Okay lang sa akin yun. Kasi, ang tingin niya sa'yo is, you deserve everything. You deserve nothing less, no? Walang dapat na hindi mo walang magbigay sa iyo. Kasi lahat ng deserving mo. Yung kagustuhan niya na maibigay lahat yun sa iyo. Andun yung drive, no? Scorpio. Kaya gagawin niya yun. Kasi ito yung characteristics ng fire sign. And at the same time, yung characteristics ng an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, which is the King of Pentacles. Pagdating sa stability, security, sa pera, pagiging down to earth, pagiging practical, gagawin din niya yun. Kasi syempre, Scorpio, you're just being, equal. Merong enjoyment, merong practical side of life, which is about money, no? Paano tayo mabuhay kung walang pera? Siyempre, ipapasok yun eh. So, gagawin din niya yun. Magtatrabaho itong maigi para ipakita sa'yo na, yep, I'm capable of earning lots of money. So, I can provide you everything you want. I could give you everything you want. Yan, gagawin ko yan pareho. Like this one, enjoyment and security. Financial security. Pero, in spite of these two characteristics na your person is doing, no, trying to do everything, bakit meron tayong energy ng Four of Swords na can we slow down? Can we just take a rest? Take a pause? Nagiging masyado na bang over? Mabilis na ba yung takbo ng buhay? Na parang, kung gaba nalulula ka na, nalulunod ka na. Or you're getting tired of this? Kasi this is an energy of taking a rest. No? Nagpapahinga. Nag-iisip, nagme-meditate, nagdadasal. Sa nangyayari ba? Dahil, kasi nga, sabi mo, sige, I'll give you everything I want. I'll give you everything you want. Kung gaba ito ay go. Sabi mo lang, go. Tayo, go. Parang ikaw na yung pagod eh. Seven of Swords. Meron ka bang hindi sinasabi na dapat niyang malaman? Are you trying to hold on to a secret or something na na dapat i-share mo dito sa taong to? something that you need to open up. Kasi you wanted to be on your own for a while. Gusto mo mag-isa. You wanted to be by yourself and think and reassess everything, no? Pinag-iisipan mo mabuti, pinag-aaralan, alam mo yun, binabalik-balikan kung ano man yung bagay na ito na pinag-iisipan mo mabuti. Kasi, sabi ko nga, itong taon to, anong gustuhin mo man, ready siya. Bakit ka biglang parang nag-pull back? Parang yung energy level mo ang taas dati, bigla mong binaba. Tapos sabi mo, teka muna. Kasi nga, ito yung tinatanong ko sa'yo Scorpio, ano yung hindi mo masabi? What is it that you cannot say or tell this person? Meron kang tinatago You're in denial. Something that you are keeping to yourself. No? Keeping to yourself. With the Hermit card. Okay, so tingnan natin. These are two, which is good. Bakit andito yung Four of Swords? Bakit andito yung Four of Swords? Wow, we have the Tower. The Three of Cups. And the World. Scorpio, there is something na mangyayari, unexpected, something na hindi mo inaasahan that would shock you, na mabigla ka nalang magbulta, oh my God, ba't nangyari yun? And it has something to do with another person. Yung tipong may third party. Okay? Three of Cups. And that brings this ending. Dahil dito sa third party na to, something na hindi mo inaasahan na magkakaroon unexpectedly. Ngayon, you wanted a new chapter in your life. You wanted a new cycle in your life because of this third party. Yung tipong dati okay ka dito, ngayon parang ayaw mo na to, gusto ko na panibago. Okay? Now, bakit andito yung Seven of Swords? We have the Death. The Three of Swords, wow, and the Five of Pentacles. Scorpio, yung, di ba tinatanong kita, ano yung hindi mo masabi? It has something to do with another death, with an ending, something to do with an ending. Yung pagtatapos. Kasi yung pagtatapos na to, yung pagbabago na to, ang dala ay sakit sa damdamin. Three of Swords. Three of Swords. Nasaktan lang yung damdamin at yung pakiramdam na ikaw ay binaliwala. Yung pakiramdam na parang ikaw ay ginawa ka na lang option. Ginawa ka lang na parang, alam mo yung hindi ka na importante. Yung tipong iniwan ka na lang sa ere. Ganon. Five of Pentacles. Masakit yun. Kasi kung iniwan ka nga, hindi ka pinansin, hindi ka na binigyan ng importansya, masakit talaga yun sa damdamin, di ba? Three of Swords. Dahil alam mo, kaya nangyari ito kasi something ended. May natapos. May natapos ba sa damdamin? Sa pagmamahal? Sa pagbigay ng atensyon? Dahil ba meron ka nakilalang iba? Something ended, no? Maybe you have realized something na hindi na ito yung dating gusto mo. Bakit andito yung Hermit? Bakit andito yung Hermit? We have the Page of Wands, the Seven of Cups, and the Six of Swords. Pinag-iisipan mo mabuti to, no? Yung sitwasyon na to, itong third party na to, yung person na bigla mong nakilala, na tipong hindi mo inaasahan, na magdudulot ng panibagong chapter sa buhay mo. Pinag-iisipan mo kasi you enjoy this person. You enjoy being with this person. Or you feel that ito yung magbibigay sa iyo ng enjoyment or happiness. And also at the same time, nararamdaman mo na o naiisip mo na marami naman akong options, di ba? Meron pa akong ibang pwedeng tignan. Hindi lang naman ito. I could have an option. I could still choose other things. And with the Six of Swords, I want to turn my back. No? Gusto kong talagang talikuran na tong mga nangyayari sa akin ngayon at pumunta sa isang mas matahimik na lugar. Something more peaceful. Something that I would really enjoy being there with this person. Parang nakahanap ka ng ibang type of peacefulness nung na-meet mo tong taon to. Kasi iba yung dating niya. Na-enjoy mo talaga. Kaya nag-isip ka, the Hermit, isip mo na, marami ako pwedeng pagpilian, di ba? Meron akong option. I have an option. Hindi lang ito ngayon, yung current relationship ko. I still have that, kumbaga ba parang opportunity to be more happier, more fulfilled kaysa sa mga nangyayari ngayon. No? Because I know I'm given that opportunity. Kaya I wanted to turn my back dito sa current ko and go with this person sa future. Okay? Yun yung gusto niya sabihin. Well, yun yung gustong, ito yung nakikita mo, Scorpio, okay? Do sabihin natin, yung person mo will do everything to spoil you. No, kasi alam niya na deserve mo yon. Pero siguro nga merong ugali itong taon to na sobrang seloso naman. Spoiling ka nga pero napakaseloso. Mahirap din yun. Kaya kung gaba parang naglaylo ka, kasi hindi mo inaasahan, may nangyari. Something that you didn't expect could happen. Ito yun, no? Yung Three of Cups. Nagkaroon ng third party. You met someone na talagang nagbago ng takbo ng iyong buhay. Hindi mo inaasahan na ito yung dadating sa'yo, and you will find a different side na hindi mo akalain na meron pala. That made you realize, no? Made you think and realize that you could have fun with this person. That I enjoy being with this person. That I am given the opportunity to choose other things. And that one of that opportunity is to be with that person. To go and to be with that person. Okay? Magkakatuluyan ba tong person, Scorpio, tsaka tong na-meet niyang third party? Sabi dito, yes. May offer of love. No? May offer of love. Kaya, matutuloy silang dalawa. Kung ba parang iiwan mo tong person that is spoiling you. Yung current person. Ano yung gustong sabihin ng current person mo sa'yo? Ano gustong sabihin ng current person mo sa'yo? Scorpio. I want you. I regret lying to you. And you don't know how hard it was to let you go. Para talagang nagkahiwalay na nga kayo kasi nag-let go na siya eh. I regret lying to you. Hindi ba dapat ikaw nagsasabi nito? Ito yung sasabi ko, I regret lying to you. I don't know, maybe take it as it resonates, but ito talaga mahirap to eh. You don't know how hard it was to let you go. Kasi mahal na mahal ka nga eh. Ini-spoil ka nga niya, di ba? To a point na, sige, kahit anong gusto mo, gagawin ko. Tingnan natin, ano pa yung message para kay Scorpio? First quarter moon in Aquarius, trust the universe. Yeah. Magtiwala ka kay God. Kung anong gusto niyang gawin, just follow it. Full moon in Aries, cool your emotions. Medyo dahan-dahan muna. First quarter moon in Scorpio, release your blocks. Okay, so ito energy mo to, Scorpio. Release mo yung mga nagbablock ba sa energy mo. Para ma-clear yung thoughts mo, yung pag-iisip mo, yung damdamin mo, and then you could really make a very good decision on what to do with this situation. Para hindi ka mahirapan. Okay? Kung kanino mang Scorpio itong energy na nakuha natin ngayon, maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sana nakatulong ito sa'yo. Maraming nangyari eh. No? The way I see it. But, kaya mo to. You can, go over this situation. And just have a clear mind of what to do next. Okay? So, sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.